Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I am making Snickerdoodle cookies. I use refrigerated sugar cookie dough from the grocery store, a cinnamon sugar mixture, and I show you a little magic as to why these are the best west of the Mississippi. Pillsbury cookie dough from the refrigerated section, and only Pillsbury cookie dough. I have tried others and they are just not the same. To prepare the cinnamon and sugar mix to actually roll the sugar cookie dough balls in, I have about a quarter a cup of sugar and a whole bunch of cinnamon. You cannot go wrong with too much cinnamon. Just keep adding it and adding it. The more cinnamon you put in this mixture, I feel like the more you can taste it on the cookie, and I love me some cinnamon. Keep this dough chilled until you're ready to use it. It gets kind of sticky after a while. But I cut it open and I slice it in about a 1/4 inch thick pieces. Next, I take each piece, kind of squeeze it all together and roll it into a ball. I just do 4 at a time because that's the rows that I'm doing. You do however many you want. But I'm gonna move in close so that you can see when you roll this dough, it almost gets an oily texture on the outside. And that mixed in the cinnamon sugar is what makes these the best Snickerdoodle cookies this side of the Mississippi. None of the other refrigerated dough does this. It's the magic. The next step is to take a glass with a flat bottom and you dip it in your cinnamon sugar and smash out each roll. And you do have to re-dip, otherwise your glass will stick to the rolls. So I proceed to do each one. Pretty flat. I like them thin and crispy. Perfect for coffee dunking. Now that these cookies are all flattened out and ready to go into a 325 oven per the directions on the cookies, that's all you want to follow per the directions. They say 10 to 13 minutes. I cook mine 18 minutes every single batch, and they come out just beautiful. Thin, crispy, almost 2 layers, a little bubble forms in the middle. Oh, they're so yummy. They do look extra brown, but they are not burned. It's because I put so much sugar in the cinnamon sugar. They just look extra brown, but they're not. They're just extra crispy and yummy goodness in a circle form. Simply repeat all of the steps until you use all of your dough. During the holidays, I usually make a couple of rolls of these. Makes it just a little bit more special on a pretty napkin on a really cool charcuterie board. My favorite way is with coffee. Here is what I was talking about, the little air pockets in the middle that form almost 2 layers. Look at how thin that is. That right there melts in your mouth. Imagine curled up on the couch under a blanket with a hot cup of coffee and Charlie Brown's The Great Pumpkin is on and you're eating these. I do store these in a sealed container or a Ziploc bag. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.